year was 2022. Tudor decided to begin... I don't know why I sounded like Bill Cosby there. Tudor decided to begin the woo. Don't use that, Gato. 2022. Tudor decided to begin their redemption arc. Re-releasing. God, what is it? It's like there's molasses and re-releasing the pill and the drink and then she goes to sleep and then the woo. Let's try it again. 2022, Tudor decided to begin their redemption arc, reissuing the Tudor Ranger and then downsizing the Tudor Pelagos. It seems a watchmaker that was once my nemesis became my friend. So if that's possible, could it be that this year, 2023, is the year Tag Heuer cleans up their act once and for all? Probably not, but they did finally release something that I'm excited about, so let's go ahead and take a look. It is 3:25 p.m. Let's get down to business. Guys, I am wearing a Casio twin sensor. Better than a G-Shock, baby. 39 millimeters. Powered by a Heuer 02 automatic chronograph movement. Beautiful 3-register, kind of pseudo panda dial. I know it's not technically a panda because it's not white and black. It's like silver and black. We'll call it a pseudo panda. Faux patination and being released at sub $10,000. I'm gonna be honest, I love this thing. So there, it's official. I love Tag Heuer. Feels weird, right? Like, it doesn't just feel weird that I said that, but like you, the person watching, and myself, we know that that's actually not even an accurate statement. Because this 60th anniversary Tag Heuer isn't really a Tag Heuer at all. This is no more a Tag Heuer than a Monaco is. You see, this 60th anniversary tag is celebrating a time before Tag was even a thing. What I'm trying to say is this watch, the 60th anniversary chronograph, this beauty of a timepiece, and the Monaco, they're Heuers. Heuers. Make no mistake, these are not Tag Heuer designs at all. But you know what is? This $3,000 quartz aqua racer. That's right, if you go to the page of this Tag Heuer Carrera 60th anniversary chronograph, underneath it, it shows this $3,000 aqua racer. You click on it, it's a quartz. Now that is a Tag Heuer. That's right, you can get a dive watch that's less capable and with a worse movement than a Seiko Tuna for about 3 times the price. So there's really not much to say about this. I know people were like sending me this to my inbox being like,
now what? I know you're gonna like this, so now what? You're gonna have to eat your words. Tag Heuer did something right.
Yeah, they re-released a Heuer. So we can agree Tudor has proven themselves to make a few decent watches at this point. Tag Heuer, still a mess. That is, until they can release something original instead of just celebrating watches that came out before Tag Heuer was even Tag Heuer. Whatever. Cut it. Alright, guys, I know that's gonna upset some people, but hey man, I gotta call it as I see it. Alright, guys, check out this episode from T3 Time to Drive. That's right, my automotive channel. Check it out. Gato, clip it! So guys, please wish me luck in this endeavor because I don't know how it's going to pan out. I think it's going to be interesting. I'm going to try to chronicle all of it on this YouTube channel. And if we can find out where the car is, how to pay for it, where to park it, and how the fuck I'm going to drive it, all without anyone finding out, maybe this will be a success. Subscribe over there. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers, and at the time of filming, we are almost at 200,000 subscribers over on this channel, so that is insane. That hasn't hit me yet. Thank you, guys. That is nuts. I'll make an episode talking about that in the near future. I love you guys. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman, the time teller, and always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it.